Hey, Lance.
Hi, Aaron.
How's the sidewalk surfing going, brah?
Oh, it's great, brah. Catching some nar concrete.
Brah, word on the internet, you landed your first heel flip.
Yeah, dog. Thanks to the master, AK-47.
That's pretty Shaka Khan.
Thank you.
You ready to take down the next trick?
The kickflip?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, don't be scared. We got your back. The whole Braille army got your back. Try a kickflip, let me see what happens.
What if I landed on the first try?
Then I will never skateboard again.
No, I don't like that. Can it be something good?
Then I'll always skateboard again.
Okay. Can I at least do a little slide action?
Sure.
Is this right?
Cool. Well, let me see what part of your toe is sliding.
This part.
Cool. So if you notice my shoe, look where it's worn. So you see how this part is like serrated or whatever you call it? It has bumps, and this part doesn't. That part doesn't because it's all bumped off, like that. Do that really hard, and I want to see the gum sole ripping off of your shoe.
I wish I had white gum soles right now.
It'll go. Maybe not. Do that a bunch of times. Okay.
Is this the right spot?
Let me see where you're at
That's
here.
white, huh?
No, that's good. See, you feel that?
Okay.
Feel that?
Yeah, I was thinking it was a little bit.
Keep going. Does that feel just so awkward and terrible?
Well, it does, but I can also feel that, like, I can feel that if I kick with this part as opposed to, like, lower on the side, that I'm getting some really good, like,
Yeah,
flip.
just keep doing that. Keep rubbing your foot like that. I'm gonna have you do that for a while. I just want you to get this part really down. Good, so you feel that flick?
Yeah.
Now understand, it goes up. It goes up, it does not go down. Cool, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna practice the same way you did with the heel flip. Step off with your back foot. So you're gonna practice that. Just flicking, I don't care if it underflips or overflips or anything. I just want you to practice the motion, this motion. Purposely step off with your back foot. Try that. Okay, not a bad first try. Same thing with the heel flip. Get that front foot out of there. The thing I want to make sure you really understand is look at how far my heel goes up. It's literally like, notice that? So kick your heel up really high. That was it.
Just when you're here, your aura just
makes kickflips happen.
Exactly. It's going to be the same problem I was having with heel flips, is getting it 100 or all the way around.
Yeah, well, keep practicing. That's the point of continuing to practice like that. Practice just the with your foot on there still. Yes. See that ankle pop up? The ankle pops up. There you go. That was better. There you go. Good. That was a good practice step. Your front foot got out of there and it went back down. Good. That was perfect. Boom! What, Lance? Land it! Practice, a lot of practice, repetition. So I'm going to take Lance to the cheater bar because he's like, even though I'm flipping it, I feel like I'm not close to landing it at all. So this is the bar, it's a cheater bar. He's going to hold on to it, he's going to flick it, and he's going to land with both feet because he can hold himself up like this with his arms. Boom! There you go. How's it? You landed it. How we doing, Lance?
Well, this trick is just a lot harder for me than the heel flip.
This is definitely Lance's hardest challenge out of the whole series yet. But he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. So what are you running into?
It's just I cannot get the flip consistent for the life of me. It's easy for me to do this, you know, half rotation.
Yeah.
But I literally cannot consistently get a one, you know, full rotation. It's like one time I'll do it, next time half. One time, then it's like half, 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 then a full time, then half, 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 half.
Right. I mean, the real trick is if you can do it once, if you can get the full rotation once, you can get it every time. You just have to be able to do again the same thing you did the first time. And it's not always like easy to do that. It does take a lot of practice and repetition. But that's where it goes back to just going back to this step and just really practicing that. Just really getting that down. I know that is tiring. And it's tiring because you're not used to moving your foot like that. You're not used to using those muscles, and it's a whole different way of moving your foot than you would have ever have done. I could do that forever because I do so many kick flips. It's just so natural for me, but it just takes a lot of practice and repetition to get there. So stand still, work that out, and we're gonna land a kick flip. There you go. Yeah! There you go. Oh, Lance, what is that? What time is it? There you go. Hey guys, so we're back here with Lance, and as you can see, he's dressed entirely different because it's an entirely different day.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't land kickflip in one day. I know, it sucks, but here we are, out here to learn it for real this time.
It doesn't necessarily suck. Like if you can't land a kickflip in one day, you don't suck, so feel better. Give yourself a pat on the back.
I'll high five too.
We'll work on that later.
No, it's true. I mean, landing a kickflip in one day is actually a pretty tall order, and I wasn't sure that I could do it. You know, I did give it my all. So, whatever. Here we are. We're back again. It takes 2 days sometimes. It takes a month sometimes.
Right. And in the previous day, which was a week ago, Lance hasn't skated since then. And the last time he was here, he had shorts on. And literally by the end of the day, his legs were like black and red from getting hit by the board. And I was like, you never wear shorts again. You never wear shorts. I know some of you guys probably wear shorts. You'll never see me in shorts unless I'm naked.
That's okay.
That's a good point, huh?
So, today I have pants on and I have high socks.
We're just going to get right to it. Lance is just going to get right to it. He's going to land the kickflip. I'm not even going to tell him what to do. Well, maybe I'm going to tell him a little bit what to do. But I'm going to film. We're going to have 300 cameras rolling for his land at the kickflip. Man, we really need to work on that. So again, sometimes if you're trying a trick for 4 hours and you don't make it, feel free to go to sleep at night and wake up the next day and come back with fresh legs when you're not super sore. If it's going to take you a couple days to get not super sore, then do that. And now Lance is back. And personally, I think he's going to get it fast. The last time he was here, I don't know, maybe it was 4 straight hours?
It was.
Maybe that's an overstatement.
No, I think that might be an understatement.
That might be an understatement. Maybe it's 5 hours. So today, he has an hour.
Let's do it.
Take it down. Lance, land it! Is that helpful?
Yes. That was so close.
What was that, Lance? What was that?
Does that count?
No, do it again. That counts, but you got it better than that. Oh! You made it! You made it! Oh! Lance's first kickflip. He's like a born again.
It was caught on camera too, thank God.
Do your full dance, your full victory dance.
Okay, you want me to go full victory dance?
Yeah, like full born.
Okay, here we go.
Please click the like button. Click the subscribe button. Leave Lance a comment and let him know that you're proud of him for landing his first ever kickflip. First ever kickflip. First ever kickflip in the world.
If I can do it, you can do it too.
Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. Buy it and learn to progress